Think you know everything your Tesla can do? Think again. Here are 10 lesser-known Tesla features that might surprise even long-time owners. 10. Dog Mode. Leaving a pet in the car for a few minutes? Dog Mode keeps the cabin at a comfortable temperature and displays a message on the screen so passers-by know your pet is safe. 9. Sentry Mode. When parked, the car uses its cameras to monitor the surroundings and can record suspicious activity, adding an extra layer of security. 8. Camp Mode. This setting maintains the cabin temperature, powers the outlets, and keeps the infotainment system running, perfect for overnight trips. 7. Karaoke. Tesla includes a built-in karaoke app with lyrics on the center display, turning charging stops into entertainment breaks. 6. Over-the-air updates. Your car can gain new features, refinements, and bug fixes without visiting a service center. 5. Dashcam Recording. The vehicle's cameras can save video clips while driving, which can be invaluable after an incident. 4. Joe Mode. Named after a Tesla owner, this feature lowers the volume of non-critical chimes so sleeping passengers aren't disturbed. 3. Bioweapon Defense Mode. On equipped models, a large HEPA filter helps remove fine particles from the cabin air, keeping the interior cleaner. 2. Smart Preconditioning. Before a fast charge or a scheduled departure, the battery and cabin are automatically brought to ideal temperatures for efficiency and comfort. And number 1. Phone Key. Your smartphone can unlock, lock, and even start the car automatically, letting you leave the traditional key behind. Tesla is constantly evolving through software, so your car may gain even more capabilities over time. One of the most unique aspects of EV ownership